Certificates of deposit, CDs, and bonds are both low-risk investment options that help grow your money over time, but they work differently. Choosing the right one depends on factors like returns, liquidity, and risk tolerance. A certificate of deposit, CD, is a fixed-term deposit offered by banks and credit unions. You deposit money for a set period, typically ranging from a few months to several years, and earn a fixed interest rate. CDs are FDIC insured or NCUA insured for credit unions, meaning they are risk-free up to $250,000 per depositor per institution. However, your money is locked in for the term length, and withdrawing early results in penalties. CDs are ideal for safe, predictable growth without market fluctuations. A bond is a loan to a government or company that pays you interest over time. Bonds can be government-issued, like U.S. Treasury bonds, municipal, local government, or corporate, private companies. Bonds pay interest at fixed or variable rates and have longer terms than CDs, often several years to decades. Unlike CDs, bonds can be sold before maturity, though their market value may fluctuate. Government bonds are low risk, while corporate bonds may be riskier but offer higher returns. Now, let's compare them side by side. Risk and safety. CDs are 100% safe with FDIC insurance, while bonds carry some risk, especially corporate bonds, which can lose value if the issuer defaults. If absolute safety is your priority, CDs are the better option. Returns. Bonds generally offer higher returns than CDs, especially corporate or long-term bonds. However, CDs have fixed, guaranteed interest rates, while bond interest can fluctuate. If you want higher earnings and are okay with some risk, bonds win. If you prefer stable, guaranteed returns, CDs are better. Liquidity. Bonds can be sold before maturity, making them more flexible. CDs, on the other hand, require you to lock in your money for a set period, and withdrawing early leads to penalties. If you need easier access to your money, bonds are the better choice. Time horizon. CDs are better for short-term savings, 1 to 5 years, while bonds are better for long-term investing, 5+ years. If you need a safe place for short-term money, CDs are ideal. If you're investing for longer-term growth, bonds make more sense. So which is the better choice? If you want guaranteed returns, zero risk, and don't mind locking in your money for a set period, CDs are the best option. But if you want higher potential returns, flexibility, and are comfortable with some risk, bonds are the smarter choice. The best option depends on your financial goals and risk tolerance.